Dear student, how are you? Very good evening. ओके तो मैं आपका प्यारा केमिस्ट्री गुरु डॉक्टर गुंजन। तो मैं आज 12th के केमिस्ट्री का फर्स्ट टॉपिक सॉल्यूशन में कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ सॉल्यूशन पढ़ा रहे थे। डियर स्टूडेंट, उसमें मैं मास परसेंटेज, वॉल्यूम परसेंटेज, मास बाय वॉल्यूम परसेंटेज, पीपीएम, पार्ट्स पर मिलियन एंड मोल फ्रैक्शन एंड मोलैलिटी तक एक्सप्लेन कर दिए हैं। नेक्स्ट एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट मेथड फॉर एक्सप्रेसिंग द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इज मोलैरिटी। तो अपना पेन और कॉपी खोलिए और साथ साथ नोट बनाइए, और मेरे पढ़ाने के बाद आपको सिर्फ नोट पढ़ना है। नोट के हिसाब से न्यूमेरिकल पे ध्यान देना है, और हम सारे टॉपिक का न्यूमेरिकल जब खत्म होगा तो 1 बाय 1 आपको बताएंगे और करवाएंगे। ओके, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द नेक्स्ट मेथड फॉर एक्सप्रेसिंग द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इज molarity. Molarity. It is denoted by capital M. This is also known as molar concentration. Molar concentration. Molarity means mole per liter. Okay, molarity means mole per liter. So what do you mean by molarity? So molarity means, dear student, number of moles of solute which dissolved in 1 liter of solution is known as molar solution, and strength of such solution is expressed in terms of मोलैरिटी। ओके, तो मोलैरिटी मीन्स क्या हो गया? मोलैरिटी मीन्स इट इज डिफाइंड एज नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ सॉल्यूट dissolved in 1 liter of solution। तो मोलैरिटी का मेन मतलब ये हो गया, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ सॉल्यूट डिसॉल्व इन 1 लीटर ऑफ सॉल्यूशन को ही हम लोग मोलैरिटी कहते हैं। तो डियर स्टूडेंट, अगेन आई रिपीट my word which also we explained in a previous video, lecture number 3. The component 2 is solute and component 1 is solvent. Okay, so molarity means number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution। तो मोलैरिटी को मैथमेटिकली क्या लिखेंगे? N2 बाय वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इन लीटर। व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय N2? मोल्स ऑफ सॉल्यूट। ओके, नंबर ऑफ मोल इज इक्वल टू गिवन वेट बाय मॉलिक्यूलर वेट। गिवन वेट बाय मॉलिक्यूलर वेट। ओके डियर स्टूडेंट, नाउ इन प्लेस ऑफ N2 वी राइट W2 by M2, weight of solute by molecular weight of solute। तो molarity is equal to W2 by M2 into volume of solution in liter। This is the first formula। Second formula, if you convert liter into milliliter, then multiply the second equation with ekka। Ekka means 1000। So molarity is equal to W2 by m2 into 1000 by volume of solution in milliliter. Okay, this is the final formula of molarity. Note down. Okay, if mass by volume percentage of solute is given, if mass by volume percentage of solute is given, as well as density of the solution is also given, then how you calculate molarity of the solution? Okay, if mass by volume percentage of solute is given and the density of solution is also given, then how you calculate the molarity of the solution? So write down the formula for calculating the molarity of solution. If mass by volume percentage is given, m is equal to x into d into 10 by m2. Okay, x is the weight of solute, d is the density of solution, in gram per milliliter, and m2 is the molar mass of solute. Molar mass of solute. Write down this formula. This is very important formula for calculating molarity of solution. Now, what is the relation between molality and molarity? What is the relation between, what is the relation between molarity and molality? This is capital M and this is small m. Okay, write down the relation between molarity and molality. 1 by m equal to d by m minus m2 by 1000, where m is equal to molality, d is equal to density of solution in gram per milliliter, m is molarity and m2 is molar mass या molecular mass of solute. Okay, this is very important relation between molarity and molecular mass of solute. Okay, now next property is the normality. Next property is normality. Capital N. Dear student, molarity is related to molecular weight of solute and normality is related to gram equivalent weight of solute. Normality is related to gram equivalent weight denoted by E of solute. Okay, so normality is related to gram equivalent weight of solute, but molarity is related to gram molecular weight of solute. So what is the relation between equivalent weight and molecular weight? Already discussed in class 11, but in next lecture I will try to explain again what is molecular weight and equivalent weight. Now, what do you mean by normality? Normality means it is related to equivalent weight of solute. What is normality? Dear student, number of gram equivalent of solute which dissolved in 1 liter of solution is known as normal solution, and strength of this solution is expressed in normality. Okay, so it is defined as number of gram equivalent of solute dissolves in 1 liter of solution. So normality is equal to number of gram equivalent of solute by volume of solution in liter. Volume of solution in liter. Okay. What do you mean by number of gram equivalent? So when weight of solute, any given weight of solute is divided by equivalent weight of that solute is known as number of gram equivalent. Okay. So number of gram equivalent is equal to number of gram equivalent equal to weight of solute by equivalent weight of solute. Okay, W2 by E or E2. Okay, number of gram equivalent is equal to given weight of solute divided by equivalent weight of solute. इससे हम नंबर ऑफ ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट निकाल लेंगे. Now normality is equal to W2 by E into volume of solution in liter. Okay, first, second, if liter is converted into milliliter, then multiply the equation 2 by ekka. Ekka means 1000. So N is equal to W2 by E into 1000 by V in milliliter. This is the final formula of normality. Okay? Just like molarity, you also calculate the normality of solution if mass by volume percentage of solute is given. Okay, write down. Here you write E2, E2, E2. Okay. If mass by volume percentage of solute is given, then normality is calculated by similar to molarity, but only difference is that in molarity x into d into 10 divided by molecular weight of solute, but in normality x into d into volume 10, x into d into 10 divided by equivalent weight of the solute. The formula is x into d into 10 by E, where E is equivalent weight of solute, where E is equivalent weight of solute, and x is mass of solvent, equivalent weight, mass of solute. X is mass of solute, and D is density of solution. Okay. अब next है how you calculate the molarity or normality of solution on dilution. पहले वह concentrated form में है, उसमें पानी मिला दिए. dilution means addition of water. पानी मिला दिए, पानी मिलाने के बाद मोलरिटी क्या होगा, नॉर्मेलिटी क्या होगा. तो उसके लिए हम लोग नॉर्मेलिटी और मोलरिटी का इक्वेशन जान लेंगे. ओके. Next topic is molarity and normality of after dilution. So for this you applying molarity or normality equation. That means M1 V1 before dilution equal to M2 V2 after dilution. If the molarity of before dilution is given, then you applying this formula calculate the molarity of after dilution. So first formula is M1 V1 equal to M2 V2. This is for concentrated form and this is for dilute form. This is before dilution, this is after dilution. Similarly, Similarly, N1 V1 equals to N2 V2. N1 and N2 is normality, M1 and M2 is molarity. M1 and M2 is molarity of concentrated and dilute solution respectively. Okay, where N1 and N2 is normality. Again, if we mix the three solution having different strength, then how you calculate molarity or normality of resulting solution after mixing the three different solution having different strength? After mixing three different solution having different strength, how you calculate the molarity and normality of mixture? In the same way, we also applying the molarity and normality equation for mixing two or more solution. We calculate the molarity and normality of resulting solution as follows. M1 V1 plus M2 V2 plus M3 V3 equals to MR V1 plus V2 plus V3. M1 is the molarity of first solution, V1 is the volume of first solution. M2 is the molarity of second solution, V2 is the volume of second solution. M3 is the molarity of third solution, V3 is the volume of third solution. And after mixing, the resultant molarity of the mixture is denoted by MR or M mixing, or in bracket V1 V2 plus V3 सारे वॉल्यूम को जोड़ देंगे. इससे हम रिजल्टिंग मिक्सचर का, रिजल्टिंग सॉल्यूशन का मोलरिटी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. Similarly, N1 V1 plus N2 V2 plus N3 V3 equal to NR, normality. Similarly, the normality of resulting solution is calculated by N1 V1 plus N2 V2 plus N3 V3 equal to NR V1 plus V2 plus V3. NR is the normality of resulting solution. How you calculate the molarity for chemical reaction? तो chemical reaction N1A N2B gives M1C M2D. N1 is the mole of A and N2 is the mole of B. So molarity of reacting species we calculated. N1 and N2 is the mole of A and B. Okay. M1 V1 by N1 is equal to M2 V2 by N2. N1 is the mole of A, N2 is the mole of B. This is the formula for calculating molarity for for a chemical reaction. Okay. What is the relation between normality and molarity? So normality is equal to small n into molarity. Normality is equal to small n into molarity. Dear student, small n is not the number of mole, it is valency. For acid, small n is considered as basicity. बेसिसिटी का मतलब एसिड से कितना हाइड्रोजन आयन निकल सकता है. HCl के लिए N1, H2SO4 के लिए N2. फॉर बेस N इज एसिडिटी, नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन कितना निकल सकता है. NaOH में एक है, N1 हो जाएगा. CaOH2 में 2 है, N2 हो जाएगा. और फॉर सॉल्ट तो वैलेंसी ऑफ रेडिकल, एसिड रेडिकल और बेसिक रेडिकल, एसिडिक रेडिकल और बेसिक रेडिकल, वैलेंसी ऑफ रेडिकल इज इक्वल टू चार्ज ऑन दैट रेडिकल. तो इन केस ऑफ सॉल्ट N इज इक्वल टू टोटल पॉजिटिव और टोटल निगेटिव चार्ज, दैट इज वैलेंसी ऑफ रेडिकल. ओके, तो रिलेशन बिटवीन नॉर्मेलिटी एंड मोलरिटी, N normality equals to small n into molarity. N is the valency. For acid, valency is basicity. For base, valency is acidity. And for salt, valency of radical, that is total number of positive charge on cation or total number of negative charge on anion. Now the last is formality. Formality means this is for ionic compound only. Formality means this is for ionic compound only. A mole of ionic compound is called formol. A very important word. A mole of ionic compound is called formol and concentration is expressed in formality. So formality is equal to number of gram formula mass of solute, number of gram formula mass of solute into volume of solution in liter. Number of gram formula mass, weight divided by formula weight. Okay, this is all about the concentration of solution, method for expressing the concentration of solution. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट, एक बात बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, ताकि हर केमिस्ट्री का एक एक यूनिट खत्म होगा 9 to 12 तो हम फिजिक्स का टॉपिक लोड करेंगे और वो भी आपको बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होगा. डियर स्टूडेंट, आने वाला हर वीडियो काफी इंटरेस्टिंग होगा. ओके, टेक केयर, बाय बाय.